Imagine walking into a science classroom where students aren't glued to textbooks or filling in worksheets. Instead, they're huddled around tables, debating how to build a Roman arch that won't collapse, or sketching out designs for Mars rovers. That's the magic of project-based learning, where students stop memorizing and start making. Now here's the thing, even the most amazing curriculum can fall flat if it's not brought to life by the teacher. That's exactly what a study by Gavin Tierney, Carol Adams, and Sarah Ward discovered. They followed 4 AP Physics teachers over 2 years, all using the same project-based learning curriculum. But the results? Totally different. Why? It all came down to how teachers put those projects into practice. Some teachers, like Mr. Whipple and Mr. Bashar, stuck close to traditional routines. Lots of lectures, strict deadlines, and a focus on the right answers. The projects were there, but the excitement? Not so much. Students felt disconnected from what could have been a thrilling learning adventure. On the flip side, Mr. Elliott and Mr. Costello dove headfirst into the world of PJBL. They didn't just hand out projects. They invited students to take on imaginative roles, framed every lesson in a story, and encouraged risk-taking. Suddenly, students weren't just learning physics, they were living it. So, what did the researchers find? They pinpointed 8 teacher practices that unlock real engagement in project-based learning. First, set up your space for collaboration and creativity. Second, give students a voice. Let them make choices and lead discussions. Third, keep reminding students of their roles and goals. Fourth, step into character yourself. Model that passion. Fifth, don't be afraid to play. Imagination is your secret weapon, even in serious lessons. Sixth, have clear learning objectives and tie them back to the story. Seventh, plan for all the possible directions your students might take. And finally, always leave room for improvisation. That's where the magic often happens. These aren't strict rules. Think of them as tools in your teaching toolkit. The best PJBL teachers adapt, improvise, and learn right alongside their students. When students feel ownership, take on real roles, and solve real problems, they engage deeply and build identities as thinkers, creators, and scientists. So, if you want a classroom where students don't just memorize facts but become real-world problem solvers, remember, it's not just about having the right curriculum. It's about the practices you bring every single day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on transforming your classroom.